الله الرحمن الرحيم والضحى والليل إذا سجى ما ودعك ربك وما قلى صدق الله العظيم.
The name of Allah who is most beneficent and the most merciful. By the morning brightness and by the night when it covers with darkness, your Lord has not taken leave of you, O Muhammad, nor has he detested you.
Subhanallah, it was really very beautiful Holy Quran recitation. May Allah grant us the ability to follow all the commands of the Holy Quran. As the revolutionary poet Iqbal said, कुरान में हो गौता ज़न ए मर्दे मुसलमा अल्लाह करे तुझको अता जिद्दत किरदार.
Here we go, it's getting close.
Now, I would like to draw your attention and request you all to take part to present our national anthem of Pakistan. This is the time to indulge in the spirit of patriotism. So please get ready to present the national anthem of Pakistan with the honor and respect it deserves. Please play national anthem of Pakistan. नाराए तकबीर, नाराए तकबीर. पाकिस्तान का मतलब क्या? पाकिस्तान का मतलब क्या? पाकिस्तान जिंदाबाद. खुदा करे अता मेरी अर्ज़े पाक को वो फसले गुल जिसे अंदेशाए ज़वाल ना हो. We are just initiating torch bearing ceremony. Ahmad is here with the torch. It is a symbol of unity, it is a symbol of love, peace and friendship. And now we are handing over to Samadhi, and Sun Nadeem is just flaming and reflects the message of unity, love, peace and friendship. What a show, mashallah.
Subhanallah, that's great, sir. It's a great piece of Zambal,
Now the time has come to initiate oath-taking ceremony. Oath is the commitment to uphold the certain values and principles. I would like to invite one of the most brilliant students of grade 10, Ahmad Hassan, to please come forward and take oath with the athletes. Ahmad Hassan.
Good evening, everyone. I am Ahmad Hassan, student of grade 10. On behalf of my colleagues taking oath, we all are the athletes of the Apex Education School swear that we are taking part in annual athletes meet in loyal competition, respecting the regulation which govern it. We are participating in it with sportsman spirit, with honesty, and follow the rule of games for the honor of our school and the glory of sports. Thank you.
MashaAllah, big hand to Ahmad. Thank you very much.
Now time has come to deep dively in the most thriller world of ninja stunt. It will be unbelievable for me if they break all of the markers by a single hit, because as well there are girl participants, so it means that in the power, dedication, commitment and bravery, girls are not lesser than the boys. So ready, she is focusing, targeting, marking, and again, oh wow, that's brilliant. It's a non-stop surprise show. We are unstoppable. Really, we are very strong. MashaAllah, excellent. You all did the great job. Brilliant, excellent. What a stunning performance. And now the next group is again ready and oh no, what's
my
going
heart
on?
is palpitating so fast, sir. Oh my gosh, they are burning the marble.
Yes, they are burning and I think petrol is more and now these are the hot marbles and we break it.
What a shot and what I hate.
That's great,
man.
It's mind blowing. It's superb. It's very hot. Wow, that's brilliant.
Brilliant performance.
Exactly right on the center. And now another fire marble we have. Excellent. Brilliant. It's non-stop amazing and thriller scenes we are witnessing. Oh, that's fine. That's great. And some their hands carry the fire as well. But
The hand catching.
But mashallah, they have strong hands. Strong. Even we can. Okay, another. And this time a girl. Sir, girl. Really, it's 5.
Yes, sir. Sure. They have a lot of hard performance. They are really amazing.
Another girl.
Wow. Smash down.
Excellent. Participants are able. Oh, that's
This going great.
he's just to hit my head. That's amazing.
Wow. Great.
And he do this in a single hit.
So you counted many marbles. I think
Yes,
they are
sir.
increasing.
Yeah, they are
Pointed to your
gradually increasing, and now there are more than dozens of marbles. And we are witnessing. Yeah, he's using a blanket. Okay. That's. And he hits. Wow, that's great. That's brilliant. Fire we can
really.
see on the ring, and the first athlete is now jumping.
Wow.
Wow, that's great.
thrown from the fire. Very beautiful.
And now another one. Yes. He did this.
Really, such an energetic.
And the third athlete
Nice.
going, running, jumping through the mud.
It's a jump.
That's magnificent. Magnificent
Unbelievable.
performance. Oh no, there's a
baby.
little girl. Yes, she did it. And now another girl. We are witnessing
wow.
running. It's captivating. It's mind-blowing. It's magical. Oh!
Wow.
Total students together jumping through
God.
the fire ring.
Yeah.
What a great balance. What a great stunt. Okay, no problem. One by one. Yes, now you can do it. Excellent. Please put your hands together for our brilliant participants. they really show up.
Really,
Great
they
stunt.
deserve a great appreciation. Give a big hand, parents and viewers.
And yeah, they have to synchronize. They have to move together. Yes, they did it. Excellent performance. Excellent jump. That to avoid any sort of accident, they have to be careful while doing this stunt. And
Wow,
yes, they
what
did
a
it.
performance they have done, sir.
Excellent. They synchronize well.
Unbelievable, unbelievable, you know. Wow,
And-
what a performance. What a
Excellent.
courage.
Well done. Brilliant.
What a courage and dare they are having, sir. The
And
service.
now, yes, again, such a brilliant performance. This is what we say crossfire rolling.
They are fearless. They don't have any scare on their face.
Yeah, they are ready to begin March Past, and then inshallah inside events will be going on. Their performance is really very captivating. Now, the time has come that I would like to mention the most venerable personality present among us. And I must say, for this great person, Yaki Mohkam, Amal Peham, Mohabbat Fatah Alam. यकी महकम अमल पे हम मोहब्बत फातह आलम जिहाद जिंदगानी में हैं ये मर्दों की शमशीरें. There is no doubt that we are gathered here due to tireless efforts of our great teachers and students. But this person behind the scenes guide the whole preparations brilliantly. And above all, he is the person who single-handedly organized this whole event even without anyone else's contribution. Even he arranged transportation for the parents and dinner. His all such dedication, his selfless attitude, his sincerity prove that he loves his students immensely, and he is really very kind and sincere to the parents as well. So please help me to announce the name of such a great person. I need your support, your clapping, your energy, your noise will prove that how much you love this person. I think that you got my point, that who am I talking for. I am talking about the one and only, the founder member of the Apex Education Schooling System, our CEO, Sir Nadeemul Hasan. We need a standing ovation. Please rise and put your hands together and welcome our leader, Sir Nadeemul Hasan. Sir, please grace this dais and have few words with us. Thank you, sir.
अस्सलाम वालेकुम व रहमतुल्लाहि व बरकातहू. अल्लाहुम्मा सल्लि अला मुहम्मद व अला आलि मुहम्मद कमा सल्लैता अला इब्राहीम व अला आलि इब्राहीम इन्नका हमीदुम मजीद. अल्लाहुम्मा बारिक अला मुहम्मद व अला आलि मुहम्मद कमा बारकता अला इब्राहीम व अला आलि इब्राहीम इन्नका हमीदुम मजीद. Welcome esteemed parents, bright students and dedicated teachers. We are thrilled to have you join us today. Before we start, let me tell you something about us. अल्लाह ताला का लाख लाख शुक्र है कि उसने हमें ताकत और हमारे बच्चों को कुव्वत अता फरमाई जो इतना बड़ा इवेंट ऑर्गेनाइज किया है. इसमें सबकी मेहनत है. Before we start, let me tell you something about us. Importance of Sports Day. स्पोर्ट्स बच्चों के लिए क्यों ज़रूरी है? स्पोर्ट्स बच्चों को डिसिप्लिन सिखाता है. स्पोर्ट्स से टीम वर्क बढ़ता है, स्पोर्ट्स सोशल स्किल्स एंड कॉन्फिडेंस ग्रूम करता है, बच्चों की मेंटल हेल्थ के लिए बहुत अहम किरदार अदा करता है। माशाल्लाह आप देख रहे हैं बच्चों को, इनका कॉन्फिडेंस और इनकी परफॉर्मेंस, ये बहुत बेताब है अपनी परफॉर्मेंस करने के लिए। The facilities we provided to students for their parents like an English language instructor. बच्चे स्कूल में फुल टाइम इंग्लिश बोलते हैं, लेकिन घरों में इन्हें इंग्लिश का माहौल देना लाजमी है। तो स्कूल आपसे गुजारिश करता है कि आप घरों में बच्चों से बेसिक इंग्लिश का इस्तेमाल लाजमी करें। इन्हें फुल टाइम इंग्लिश एनवायरनमेंट मिलेगा तो इंशाल्लाह इनकी इंग्लिश इम्प्रूव हो जाएगी, और ये आपकी कोऑपरेशन के बगैर मुमकिन नहीं है। Before we move forward, there is a surprise announcement. Let us welcome Harim Arif and her parents on the ground. Kindly come on the stage. The highest percentage in the SSC Part 1 examination. She got 93%.
MashaAllah, she got 93% in SSC Part 1. Once again, she need your appreciation. Make some noise. She is real Apexian. Our CEO, Sir Nadeem, is now going to present to the position holder, Harim Arif. She got 93+%, and it is really very surprising that she is offered a scholarship plus cash prize of rupees 30,000. Cash prize is now presented to her
and made her school and teachers proud.
So it's a surprising appreciation.
Along with a cash prize.
And now this is a cash prize of rupees 30,000 just handed over to her by our CEO Sir Nadeem. And now there is a shield and bouquet that is to be presented to our chief guests. And now our CEO is presenting the welcome bouquet to our chief guests. And it's a memorable photo session with a cash prize of 30,000, a certificate of scholarship, bouquet and the shield. Thank you so much again. Our pioneers, our brilliant students are ready to perform the opening song of the event. So let's begin the opening song of the event. Stand up for the champions. And here we go. Stand up for the champions.
Number one and nothing less. It's just life, that's how it is. Cause we have our strengths and weaknesses. Oh, I have vision, can't you see? I'm on the move, make way for me. So stand up for the champions, for the champions. Stand up, stand up, stand up. For the champions, for the champions. Stand up for the champions, for the champions. Stand up. And when I fall down, I have to pick myself back up. And when I fall down, I have to pick myself back up. And when I fall down, I have to pick myself back up.
To proceed this program, I would like to invite Miss Noreen to say a short summary about the Apex education system. She is the senior coordinator in our school. Please welcome Miss Noreen.
Thank you very much, Mr. Tahir. Good evening, everyone. I am Ms. Noreen, Academic Head. I cordially welcome everyone to School Annual Sports Day. It is my pleasure to say welcome to all the parents who have joined us today to support and cheer the student. The teachers play a vital role in shaping the students. Here I want to highlight the names of those teachers. They are very experienced, dedicated, hardworking, and working with Apex from the long term. Miss Sajda Suhail is with us for last 10 years. So clap for Miss Sajda. Please students, clap for your teacher, Miss Sajda. Miss Shazia Asif and Miss Sehrish are with us from last 8 years. Clap for Miss Sajda, Miss Shazia and Miss Sehrish.
Playgroup, pick up the object.
And they are picking the objects and put it in the baskets. And I think the girl and the boy is leading, and there is a very tough competition between both of these players. Oh, girl is just slipped down, and now the guy, the little student, has won the race. Hurry up, hurry up. Who will be at the second place? The whistle is just to blow, and here we go. Wow, the guy is really very faster.
Great
They are
energy
pouring the
level.
water in the glass, and now
See, belong to grade 1 and 2. Wow, marvelous performance. Guys, put the hand together.
okay.
Oh,
Wow, what a stretch! This is what we say fish position.
really,
They
multiple
just touch their shoes to their heads.
purely possible for a young man to do for a longer period of the time. Wow, sir, can you see they are moving in such this position?
That's really amazing.
Wow.
Wow, that's a real athlete.
Gentlemen,
He's
put your
moving
hands
like a
together.
wheel. Superb balance he maintained. Oh,
Single
that's
hand.
impossible. But
Wow.
he made it.
The single hand having the whole burden of body in
How
one
can
hand.
he do this?
Really, Abdullah.
He's really appreciable. Well done.
Hats off to you.
He has done really a
Hats
great
off
job. Wow,
Tiny boy.
that's really amazing. It's surprising.
Together.
He is not only balancing but also he is waving the Pakistani flag as well.
Yes.
Please, big hands for our brilliant performers. Your appreciation, dear audience, dear spectators, please give them big round of applause. Please put your hands together for this amazing stunt from the cheer, and they have done it. Wow! Without any base, they form a cheer. This is what we say, cheer formation. Oh, that's brilliant! Super, amazing! Okay, let's learn how to do self-defense. Here we go.
See.
Wow, what action!
Wow. Really. See, sir.
My eyes are not able to catch this scene, sir. What a speed!
Really.
They are successfully performing double nunchucks. Put your hands together for our great performance. We have just reached the half of the event, and right now we are going to initiate the award distribution ceremony for our pre-primary section, and inshallah the ceremony for rest of the event will be done in the last. But right now, here in the front of the screen, this is a very special ceremony and we really need your appreciation, and I hope so that your energy level is still high. Ladies and gentlemen, I am going to announce the name of the winners for Pick Up the Object competition of playgroup section. First position goes to Hadi Raza. Hadi Raza has stood at first place, and now our chief guest, Mr. Ari, presenting the medal to Hadi Raza. Please big hands. And here we are making some memories. Who is just standing at the first position? Okay, let's cheer up for the winners. We are Apexians. In rapid race competition, first position goes to Mariam Arbab. And now here we have a group photograph for rest of the participants. Today, we must believe that every participant is a winner, because in sports, every effort counts. So all of the participants are equally appreciable. The winners of the kangaroo race from Senior Montessori, first position goes to Arman. Let's cheer up and recording some memories. First position goes to Vania, second position goes to Fabiha, and third position goes to Hani. Who got first position? Ayan Bhatti and Rayan. Ayan Bhatti and Rayan. And capturing the memories. Thank you so much to our chief guest.
What a jump! Oh, synchronization and all the discipline. Look at them. Very nice.
Zindabad. Zindabad. Requesting to Ma'am Sabha as well. Ma'am, please come forward and grace the stage. Okay, here we go. Let's start. I am announcing the names of the winners of Space Hopper Race for Grade 4. First position goes to Muhammad Musa. Second position goes to Muhammad Khizar. And Muhammad Awais got third position. Yes, they are the real champions. Zigzag race. First position goes to Aisha Arfat. Now I am going to announce the winners of the sack race. First position goes to Nadia Ali. Winner of the next race, ready to go to school for grade 1 boys. First position goes to Muhammad Umar. For the winners of the frog race from grade 2, first position goes to Muhammad Hassan. In the competition of ring race, Masroora has stood at first, Maheen stood at second, and Dua Hussain has stood at third position. Now I have the winners of very interesting race, the needle race for grade 4 girls. First position goes to Kainat Zahra, and I guess our cute princes are ready as well, because the next announcement for the winners of the princess race. First position goes to Iman Nadeem. All of the girls are princes for us, and they are the winner princes. Now here we have the winners of the next segment, ball balancing race. And first position goes to the pair of Marwa and Arush. Now I have the name of the winners for the same category, which is ball balancing race. And now this time, first position goes to the pair of Rayan Ali and Avesh. Mohib and Muhammad Talha got second position. And the third position goes to Safan and Hanzala. The first event for the secondary section is jump over race, whose winners are the members of team number 1, Tayyiba, Maria, Unsa, Asia, Uruj and Umayma. They have showed great teamwork and finally won the race.
Patiently.
Now I am going to announce the names of the winners for hurdle race. First position goes to Mubin. Now I have the winners of the Matka race. That was very interesting race, and all the participants did their best. But first position goes to Mariam. They are the winners of Matka race. Jump over race. First position goes to the pair of Rohan Khan and Muhammad Hussain. Both of the partners got first position. Second position goes to Subhan and Minhaj. And third position goes to Arham and Noorullah. Let's announce the name of the winners of Lomba Campit Balloon Race from grade 7. First position goes to Alishba. Now that was really very tough race. Walk on hand race from grade 8 boys. And again, our winners are in pairs. First position goes to the pair of Muhammad Huzaifa and Huzaifa bin Tariq.
Now it's just who wants it most. It's just like that's how it is. Cause we have our strengths and we
Now our brilliant cricketers are requested to get ready to receive your awards.
make way for me. Stand up.
In our cricket tournament, B team was the winner. So I would like to invite the captain of B team, Huzaifa. Huzaifa, please come forward along with your whole team. So Sir Nadeem is now just going to present the trophy to the captain of the winning team, Huzaifa. Please big hands for our talented cricketers.
And when I fall down, I have to pick myself back up.
And Bhunesh is the captain of the runner-up team A.
I have to pick myself
And we really appreciate the runner team as well.
down.
But now, here we have an announcement of man of the match. The man of the match award goes to Muhammad Huzaifa. Muhammad Huzaifa is the man of the match. Congratulations. And we will expect the same performance from you in future as well.
Stand up.
Now I have the name of the best batsman who did the best batting, Captain Huzaifa. Captain innings. He is also the captain of the winning team. And he did the winning performance and he deserved Best Batsman Award as well.
Stand up.